In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can link your PlayStation account to your EA account. So first of all, what we need to do is head over to ea.com. Once we are on EA's homepage right here, what we need to do now is come to the top right hand corner, click on this little icon, and then now we need to select sign in. So once we select sign in, we will be redirected over to here. And then as you can see, there is a lot of different icons along the top right here. And the one we need in today's video will be the PlayStation one. Once you click on that, what that will do is it will bring this pop-up up for you to log in to your PlayStation account. So what you need to do is just simply go ahead and put your details into this box and then log in to your PlayStation account. Once you do this, as you can see, if I log in. So once we click to sign in, click on sign in. And then what we can do then is we can go and check and see if it has been connected. Go to account settings. And then if we come to the left hand side bar here, scroll all the way down to the bottom, click on connections. As you can see, I have linked my Xbox Live account. So if you're putting your PlayStation details, you will obviously have linked your PlayStation account. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section down below. And without further ado, guys, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.